Hey guys, so this is a super fun activity, I think. Maybe it's super lame, I don't know. I thought it looked fun, we're gonna give it a shot. So you are going to be solving a mystery using cryptography. So let me take this away from my dumb dog. Okay. So I'm gonna flip my camera around and show you a couple of things. So you, oh shoot, sorry. So you are going to get a couple of documents. This is the first one. So we are solving a murder mystery, kind of like the game of Clue, if you've ever played that. All right. Your suspects are Mrs. Gold, Dr. Green, Mr. Blue, Dr. Nickel, Miss Mercury, and Dr. Silver. They could be in room 17, room 19, room 21, 23, 25, 27. And their weapons are either a meter stick, an electronic balance, a hydrochloric acid, a ruler, a calculator, or a beaker. Okay? So you are not doing this in groups, but here are the different codes that you are trying to break. And I'm going to explain this in just a minute, but this is your first document. Okay? Your second document is labeled Cryptography Resources, and it explains all of the different codes that are used. It explains them in the order that they are used even, so it's not terribly difficult. So the first one is the Pigpen cipher. It's a substitution cipher that was used by the Freemasons in the 18th century, and they substituted each letter of the alphabet with a picture. So on these grids, like if you have this, let me flip back over. For number one, here are all of your pictures, okay? So you are going to find each of those pictures. So, of course, I can't just find it. Right here, do you see this one? Okay, that matches this part of the tic-tac-toe board, so that's an A. Okay, so you've got the tic-tac-toe boards, then tic-tac-toe with dots, then an X, and then an X with dots. Okay, so you are going to use each of these pictures to solve the Pigpen cipher. Okay? Oh, there, it gives you some. It's a fairly simple cipher to use where each letter is replaced by the lines and dots in the given position. A, Q, T, Z. Those are just some examples. Okay? The next one is the Politis square. So, in the Politis square, each letter is then represented by its coordinates in the grid. For example, bat becomes 12, 11, 44. So 12 is 1, 2, 11 is 1, 1, and 44 is 4, 4. So that's B-A-T. Okay? If you look over here in our clues, then the first word is 44, 23, 15. So we go here, 44, T, 23, H, 15, E. Your first word is the. Okay, that's the Politis square. The second one is the at-bash cipher. So the at-bash cipher is an old substitution cipher. Here, the first letter of the alphabet is replaced with the last letter. So you've got ABC through Z, and then here ZYX backwards from A. Okay? So if we look at the next thing, it's GSV. Okay? So if we look back here, G is T, S is H. Nope. G is T, S is H. What was the other one? V is E. So your first word is the. On the cryptography clues page, down at the bottom, you have multiple sets of the alphabet. So like for this one where you have the alphabet going this way, then you could write it backwards under here to help you out with that. Okay? That's just a little easy way of doing it. Okay, the next one is the affine cipher. So the affine cipher, you're converting the alphabet to letters. So we're counting down 1 through 26, and then your Oh, geez. Yeah, that's right. 1 through 26. And then you go up here, you use the numbers and convert it over. So again, you can use this little ABC chart, count 1 through 26, and then figure out your first word. Okay. The example they give here is 19, 3, 9, 5, 14, 3, 5, 19, 3, 5, 14, 3, 5 spells out science. Okay. Next one is the Caesar cipher. So in the Caesar cipher, we're using the alphabet again, but they give us a key, okay? And the cipher works by substituting each letter. Oh, wait, they give us a key to shift 3, okay? Which means we start our code shifted down 3. So A is D, B is C, C is F, and then when you get down to Z down here, then it starts A, B, C again, okay? If you look at the clues, it tells you to shift 7. So what you're going to do then is when you go down here to your alphabet, you're going to count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G. So you're going to start with G here and write the alphabet and then start over again. Okay? Then the next one is the phone characters. Okay? This one's kind of my favorite. I don't know if you even know of phones that have that keypad. But back in the olden days, if you wanted to spell something on the phone, let's say Bill, for example, to get the B, you would have to hit the 2. Well, if you were texting, you would hit the 2 twice, the 4 3 times, and the 5 3 times, right, to spell Bill. Or way back when, you would just like hope the person can figure it out. So yeah, it's awesome. Okay. Anyway, so in the phone characters code, A is 2, B is 22, C is 222. So D would be 3, E 33, F 333. So if we look at the cryptography, you've got 22, 2, 3. So that would be B, A, D, right? Yeah, bad. B, A, D. Okay? So that's the phone characters. Keyword cipher. So the keyword cipher is you will have a keyword, and on your alphabet down at the bottom of the resources page, you will start with a keyword. Okay? I believe that your keyword is chemistry. Yep. Chemistry. Okay? So you're going to write chemistry out and then fill in the rest of the letters of the alphabet in alphabetical order, and that will be your code to solve that one. Last is Morse code. So this is the dots and the dashes. Here's the alphabet in Morse code. You're going to go over here, flip back and forth, and here's your clue number 8. Okay? So you're going to come up with 8 clues. Type those sentences in a Google Doc. Then use those clues to figure out your suspect, your location, and your murder weapon, and submit those to me. Okay? I hope you have fun, because I think it's super fun. And if not, oh well, because I'm in charge and I get to give you the assignment. So have fun.